Hello friends, welcome to the spoken tutorial on saving plots. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to save plots using savefig function, save plots in different formats. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 14.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3, IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to use plot command interactively. If not, see the prerequisite Python tutorials on this website. Let us first open the terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T keys simultaneously. Now type IPython 3 and press enter. Let us initialize the Pylab package. Type %pylab and press enter. Let us plot a sine curve from -3π to 3π. First, we will calculate the required points for the plot. To do this, type x is equal to linspace -3 star pi, 3 star pi, 100 in the console. Let us plot a sine curve for the points stored in variable x. Type plot x, sine of x in the console and press enter. Don't close the plot window for the rest of the tutorial. Here you can see that we have made a very basic sine plot. Now let us see how to save the plot. For saving the plot, we will use the savefig function. Savefig function takes one argument, which is the file name. Type savefig sine.png and press enter. This saves the file in the present working directory. The characters after the dot in the file name is the extension. It determines the format in which you want to save the file. To check the current working directory, type pwd in the console and press enter. To save the file in a different directory, type full path of the directory before the file name. Type savefig /home/fossee/sine.png. Note that the above file path is for Linux based file system. For Windows, give the entire file path as shown here. Here fossee is the username in Windows and sine.png file is to be saved on desktop. Here we have used an extension .png. This will ensure that the image is saved as a PNG file. Now let us locate the file sine.png which we had saved earlier. We have saved the file to /home/fossee. Let us navigate to /home/fossee using the file browser. Open sine.png to see the plotted sine curve. Savefig can save the plot in many formats such as PDF, portable document format, PS, PostScript, EPS, encapsulated PostScript to be used with LaTeX documents, SVG, scalable vector graphics, .png, portable network graphics. Pause the video here, try out the following exercise and resume the video. Save the sine plot in the EPS format. Let us see the output for this exercise. Type savefig /home/fossee/sine.eps and press enter. Now let us go to /home/fossee and see the new file created. We see the file sine.eps here. Pause the video here, try out the following exercise and resume the video. Save the sine plot in PDF, PS and SVG formats. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to save plots using the savefig function, save the plots in different formats like PDF, PS, PNG, SVG, and EPS. Here are some assignment questions for you to solve. Which command is used to save a plot? Save plot, save fig, save figure, save PLT. Savefig sign.png saves the plot in the root directory / on GNU Linux Unix based systems, C: on Windows, will result in an error as full path is not supplied, the current working directory, predefined directory like /documents. And the answers are: to save a plot, we use the savefig function. If we save a file without complete path, it gets saved in the current working directory. Please post your timed questions on this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Prabhu from IIT Bombay, signing off. Thank you.